Question 1. A company must pay a benefit of $1,000 to a customer in 2 years. To provide for this benefit, the company will buy 1-year and 3-year zero-coupon bonds. The 1-year and 3-year spot rates are 8% and 10%, respectively. The company wants to immunize itself from small changes in interest rates on either side of 10%. So this is Reddington immunization. What amount should it invest in 1-year bonds? So let's start this off by saying that X will equal the amount invested in 1-year bonds. And then let's let Y equals the amount invested in 3-year bonds. Now, to satisfy Reddington immunization, we know that the present value of the assets have to equal the present value of your liabilities. So the present value of the first bond is 1.08x divided by 1.1 because that's the spot rate and that's the discount rate. Now for the 3rd-year bond, the spot rate equals the discount rate, which will equal the value of our liabilities, which are 1,000 divided by 1.1 squared, because this occurs in the 2nd year. Now from this, we get that will equal to 826.45 minus 0.9818x. Now for the second part, the first derivative of your assets should equal the first derivative of your liabilities with respect to price, meaning that 1.08 v squared x plus 3 1.1 v to the 4th now y will equal $2,000 v3. So as you can tell, this is simply the next derivative of this equation. So normally we would equate to 0 and check for a relative minimum. However, we can just go ahead and plug this in. So now instead of y, we're going to use the equation in terms of x. So this gets multiplied by 826.45 minus 0.9818x, which should all equal to the derivative of your liability and 0. Now, some simple algebra can help you figure out x, and you will get your final answer of x being $421, and that is the amount invested in the 1-year bond.